Okay, so in this video we are going to see operators in Java. This is going to be a very important video. So here you can see in this operators class I don't have main method. So there is one shortcut with which you can actually type complete main method in Eclipse. So instead of typing a public static void main whole thing, you can actually type main and press Control Shift Enter. So this way you will get full main method in this class file. So what are the operators in Java? So first we are going to see arithmetic operators. Okay, so for this I will type int x is equal to 4 and int y is equal to 9, and to print our output we are going to type here x plus y. So as you know, so this plus operator is for addition, and similar way we can do subtraction as well. So instead of plus I will replace it to with minus. So 4 minus 9 it will be minus 5. Okay, and here you can actually type star for the multiplication, and this will 4 into 9 it will be 36. Here what you can do is you can use mod operator. So with mod operator here, now what is going to happen is 4 divided by 9, and it will be whatever the remainder is there, it is going to show with this mod operator. So you can see that 4 divided by 9, so it will be 0 point and the remainder will be 4. So that's why with mod operator we can actually get the division now remainder. And now we can divide this to numbers as well. So if I divide with this forward slash and run this program, you can see that this is 0. Why? Because this is integer value, and division of 4 by 9 will be 0 point something. So that's why actually here the output is 0 instead of decimal value. So I can actually type it with double and change here. So if I run this program, then you can see that I get this output. Okay, so we are going to see the increment and decrement operators. So for that, what I'm going to do here is I will remove this one and I will put only x here in the output, and let's say this is int x is equal to 4, and now I'm going to add this x here. So with this 2 plus icon, this is going to increment by 1. So if I run the program, you can see that 4 plus 1 it will be 5. I can also decrement this value. So if I put 2 minus here, then what is going to happen is 4 minus 1 it will be 3. So with this way you can actually use these arithmetic operators. Okay, so next thing we are going to see is assignment operators. So assignment operators here, in this case you can see that x is equal to 4. So that means x is assigned to 4 and the output will get the, now this x we can actually use with arithmetic operator. So plus equal to 4. So in this case is what does this mean is x is equal to x plus 4. So without writing the complete line, we are actually writing like this. So this will be the additional assignment operator. So what this will happen is like it will increment by its own number. So x is equal to x plus 4. So that means 4 plus 4 it will be 8. And now if I use subtraction assignment operator, then it's going to be 0 because the number itself minus to that number, and it's going to give the output as 0. So there are multiple things we can do here is like we can multiply this, and with this multiply operation, so 4 into 4 it will be 16. Okay, so now we are going to see comparison operators. So for that, what I will do is I will type here num1 is equal to 14. In similar way, I will type here num2 as 23. Okay, so here we are going to use these assignment operators, and I am going to check now if num1 is greater than num2. So what do you expect? Is like it's false. So this gives me correct output as num1 is not greater than num2. Okay, so if I make this as 23, and then another operator I can see is like if num1 is equal to num2, then it will be true. Yeah, right. And so if I change this to 15, it's not equal to. So in this case, if I use not equal to, then this would return true. Now we are going to see the logical operators here. So in this case, so logical operators will be, so the condition I have here is num1 is greater than num2, and so and is for both the condition, and here, and num1 is not equal to num2. So in this case, you can see that num1 is not greater than num2. So that's why this condition will be false, and num1 is not equal to num2. Yes, this is true. So this condition will be true and this condition will be false. So the combined output will be false. So now let's change this operator here, and now both the conditions will be true, and in this case our operator output will be true. Okay, so if I change this and symbols with the pipe symbol, so 2 to 5 are for OR, and you can see that this will be either this condition will be true or this condition will be true. So here num1 is greater than num2, so this is false, and num1 is not equal to num2 is true. So that means either one condition is true, so it's going to give the output as true. So if I run this here now, then you can see that output is true. To see another operator which is not operator, so here if I use the bracket here, and now at the end if I have put this exclamatory symbol, so that means opposite of this, so this condition is false and opposite of this will be true, so the resultant output will be true.